Okay, y'all. Today I am going to show you another Crockpot meal. It's a chicken noodle Crockpot meal. I don't really know what the name of it is. I got it off of Facebook Reel. So I'm going to go ahead and put my not completely de-thawed chicken breast into the Crockpot. And I sprayed it first, and I've already got it turned up on high. So let's go ahead and get started. You need a pack of Italian dressing mix. And you need, I'm going to put 2 cans of cream of chicken soup in. And you need about a cup or 2 of chicken broth. You're going to cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. And then you're going to shred it. And then we're going to add a few more things. And I'll show you that whenever we get to that point. Okay, y'all. So it's almost time to serve. And I'm going to put in cream cheese. And we're going to let that melt. And then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I got the cream cheese melted. Now it's time to put in the pasta. I'm just using rigatoni pasta, I think. Yeah, I'm just using rigatoni pasta. I want to use penne, that would probably be better. But I went ahead and cooked it, so all you have to do is add it. Get all that in there. Stir it up, and then you stir it, and that's it. Then you can serve it. I added the whole box. It was 16 ounces, I believe. Yeah. All right, and that's it. You can go ahead and serve. It's ready to go.